In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow or deny club invitations on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Make sure you are signed into your account, and basically by default anyone can invite you to their club on chess.com. If you want to stop someone from inviting you to their clubs, you can easily do so. Just click right here where it says settings, and in settings we need to search for privacy. And that's where we can easily find the option which is called Allow Club Invitations. By default, it is always turned on. However, if we would like to deny club invitations, we can just turn it off. And once you've done that, just don't forget to click at Save to save the changes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.